Hey guys, welcome back to George Basics. In this video tutorial, I will teach you how to download Generals in your PC or laptop. To download the game, you need to have Steam in your device. If you don't have Steam, you can just Google this simple keyword, which is download Steam, and open the first result. Then you need to click this install Steam button, which will download the Steam inside your device, and then you can sign up. Once everything is done, you can open the Steam and click the store in the top menu. In the search, you need to type Generals and click this magnifying glass right here. So the first one, which is called Command and Conquer Generals, is the Generals bundle, which includes all of the part of the game. In total, 12 items. So before you will download the game, you need to check the system requirements. You need to have minimum system requirements to play this game. Then to download the game, you need to click this green button right here. You can see the list of the game which this bundle includes. And now you need to click continue to payment right here. You need to choose the payment method. So there are several payment methods. You need to choose one of them, for example, PayPal. Then you need to click continue right here. Click continue. It will redirect you to the PayPal and you need to finalize the transaction. Once everything is done, you can go to the library and in the library you will see the game. That's all I want to show you. If this video was helpful for you, don't forget to click the like buttons and don't forget to subscribe.